BENCHMADE Knife Company. My first BENCHMADE pocket knife. This is the 941 Osborne Blue Class. Sleek, lightweight, beautiful little knife. $315 is what it cost. Got it at a good discounted rate of $199.97. Apparently this model is going to be discontinued, or at least that's what the salesperson told me was the reason for the large discount. So first BENCHMADE that I've purchased, and I love it. It's beautiful. It's a great knife. Very expensive, $315, but made in America and lifetime warranty. If anything ever happens to this thing, you get a full replacement. And being that this model may not be available any longer, per the lady at the front there, she maybe was just, you know, telling stories. I don't know. I haven't researched that, but functionality, it's great. Looked brand new to me. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. See, it comes with a little case, little pouch, which is nice. But that's not super useful, unless maybe I throw my reading glasses in there. All right. Has this new patented technology for the lock and the release here. Carbon fiber handle with some matted look to it. Very, very appealing. The more I play with this thing, the more I love it. Got the nice little BENCHMADE logo, the butterfly there, and this is how you unlock it. I just put a index finger here and a thumb here and pull back, and it breaks down real easy. So. Again, for 199 bucks, I don't think you can beat that, and you probably may not even find that deal. So, best of luck, happy hunting, BENCHMADE for life.